I'm going to take a look at body, liver, organs, endocrine, dimensional merge. Just let that piece integrate. Guides, team. Okay, so body, deva. Right. Yeah, it's really the endocrine system that got hit hard with that surge. Yeah. So if you've been feeling a little blown out lately, super sensitive, almost like prickly, like adrenal rush prickly, that's an indicator that you felt the pulse of light surging onto the planet because of that huge portal that opened with that fire in Hawaii. And you got the hit of the light, and it on some level blew out the crystalline structures within and around your entire endocrine system. That sounds a little extreme. But at the same time, you might have been feeling super wonky the last few days. So here we go. Whenever there is a huge portal that opens and there is a huge surge of light that comes through that enormous opening, there's like a wave of light streaming onto the planet, like a surge. And then our body is a vibrational being. It's a physical being, but vibrational, etheric, energetic. And the body will feel that surge of light wave. And if it's really strong, it can destabilize and possibly even blow out some of the crystalline structures within and around the endocrine system and the chakras. So we're going to bring in an energetic protocol to help the body heal all of the crystalline structures within and around the endocrine system after that huge surge of light that we've just received in the last few days. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into this present breath of now and into your divine line. And we invite the higher self of you, soul rider, to hold vigil and witness your body at the level of its higher self. And we invite your body, divine nature, spirit, at the level of its higher self, to work with its energetic fields and the guides to reference all the crystalline structures within and around all of its endocrine glands and the chakras and the nerves, all the nerve endings. All the crystalline structures within its entire etheric form. Body Deva, using your higher self, your energetic fields, begin to repair and or replace all of your crystalline structures within your entire etheric form. Aligning it with your spark in the heart of Source, calibrating those crystalline structures with your essence, balancing and harmonizing all of those crystalline structures within and around your etheric form, your endocrine system, your organs, your chakras. Soul rider at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields. Repair all of the crystalline structures within your energetic system, and to replace any blown out crystalline structures. Teams, repair your crystalline structures and harmonize as you repair, replace all those crystalline structures, aligning it for the essence, for the spark. Harmonize your crystalline structures with your body's crystalline structures. Your body is harmonized with your team's crystalline structures. You, soul rider, harmonized with your team's crystalline structures. And then the group field harmonizes all of those crystalline structures. for open lines of communication, connection, balance, vitality. Keep holding space as your higher self, your body to this higher self in teams. Replace, repair, harmonize, align all of those crystalline structures within and around the entire etheric system for you, soul rider, for your body, for your teams, using the appropriate sounds, colors, light, energetic aromas, energetic codes, light language chant, whatever feels appropriate, whatever mechanism is appropriate to help with the repair. And you might even go into a still point, a stillness, as there's this energetic repair happening in a higher realm. Balancing, healing, repairing all the crystalline structures within and around the ears, the occiput, the tunnel of light, the crown, the sphenoid bone, all the endocrine glands, all of the micro chakras, the mini chakras. There's like chakra systems in all of the joints, crystalline structures within and around all of the joints. For the spark, for the essence, for the wisdom, for the mastery, for the current vibrational consciousness of you, the soul, your body, and your teams. Then you'll feel a reset. Your body might take a deep breath. Your body might feel a little weepy with relief as there's this balancing, stabilization, centering, and calm with all the repair of all of these crystalline structures, harmonizing these crystalline structures for this breath of now, for the essence, and balancing and stabilizing, updating all of your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive, and letting that integrate.